Hey, what's up guys? So about a week ago, I got a call from my uncle and he says, hey, what's up? For your cousin's birthday, we're going skydiving. Would you like to go? I've always thought of skydiving as something I might want to do someday, so I said yes, of course. But, you know, it's never really been something I'm like, oh, I can't wait to go skydiving. I can't wait to, you know, jump out of a fucking plane. I'm as scared of heights as the next guy. Well, a week goes by. I kind of forget, and today I'm working and I get a call from my uncle, Brian. And he's like, hey Nick, we're gonna pick you up early in the morning and then we're gonna jump out of a plane, the whole family. I'm like, great, let's do it. I hang up the phone and then it hits me. Holy shit. I thought to myself, maybe one way that I could get over my fear or maybe motivate myself to jump tomorrow is by documenting it. As a filmmaker, we do stupid things sometimes to get the right shot. And maybe, just maybe, in order to get the right shot, I will actually motivate myself to jump out of that plane tomorrow. Maybe.
Bright and early.
We'll see you about 6.
Sounds good. See you then. All right. 5 a.m. tomorrow. It's happening.
It is very important that you recognize and accept that there are also significant risks involved in making a parachute jump. You must read it carefully and fully understand it before signing. If you do not understand this information, the only place where you can make your claim.
So that's the plane behind you then.
Like it's out of a spine movie or something. Oh, damn.
This guy looks super stoked, so.
Right. To keep it real with you guys, I thought the plane was gonna be a lot bigger. I'm just telling you right now, that door is 4 feet tall, and that's not even funny.
We're about to jump from 18,000 feet.
Very nice.
Yep.
Are you all first timers?
Yeah, all first time.
All right. Sounds like a good idea to me.
Check it out. Tell them my youth. Let me tell you. Yes, people that we are free. See, tell them my youth. Check it out before the run of the mouth. Yeah, let me tell them, say, I want me, yes, people seeing on the new style we are bring. What a profile when we see the girl child. We wicked and wild and we wicked and tough. Listen to this stuff, then you can't get enough. Me know me style rough and me know me style tough. Cause Bobby man, wicked, get a youth up to rip it, wicked hard, and me rip wicked smart. Wicked at a bun and the fire can done. More fire on and the Bobby man go down. Big Terminator, me kill it, even better. Me cut out your water, me cut it out smart. People them figure it up, the people them fi shake up. I saw me sing.
Ready to do this? We're gonna go up to 18 now.
Come to run the nation. Check this out. You don't know. Check it out. Tell them no my own. When we tell you, yes, people that we are free. See, tell them my own. Check it out. When we tell them, say, when we say, yes, people see how the new style we are free.
Yeah, buddy. Amazing.
Listen to this stuff, then you can't get enough. Me know me style rough, and me know me style tough. Cause Bobby man, picky, get a new tough. Wicked hard, and me rip wicked smart. Wicked at a bun, and the fire can done.
How's that?
Holy shit. That was amazing.
Well, congrats on your first skydive, Nick.
Thank you so much, Casey.
Totally, my pleasure.
The whole time I was just screaming, fuck. I do it 100 times. I do it 1,000. Yeah.
Unbelievable.
I don't even know how to describe it.
You can't.
There's no words.
It's unreal. Like looking out. Like I do it 100 times over though.
So wow, what an unforgettable experience that was. Thank you guys for watching. Big thanks to my family for inviting me along. I don't usually do a lot of these videos, but leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, what I could improve upon. I might be doing more of these vlog videos in the near future because they're kind of fun. It's kind of fun to just document everyday life. It all turned out all right. I highly suggest that if you ever have the chance to do that, just say yes and do it. Face your fears.